Python pip install fails, invalid command egg_info. I find that recently often when I try to install a Python package using pip, I get the errors below. I found a reference online that one has to use python 2 setup.py install from the download directory, and indeed find that this will then work if I manually find and download the package from pippy. But I don't know where pip is downloading packages to, and/or why it is failing in this manner. I tried to do a pip upgrade, but it also failed in a similar manner, with a bunch of unknown distribution option errors, entry_points, zip_safe, test_suite, tests_require. Pip 1.0.1, ActivePython 2.7. Trying to use ActiveState's pip fails, because they have a smaller library base, and it doesn't include these packages.
Distribute has been merged into Setup Tools as of version 0.7. If you are using a version equals 0.6, upgrade using pip install upgrade Setup Tools or easy_install u Setup Tools.
As Distribute has been merged back into Setup Tools, it is now recommended to install/upgrade Setup Tools instead.
Bear in mind you may have to do pip install upgrade distribute if you have it installed already, and your pip may be called pip2 for Python 2 on some systems. It is on mine. I had this issue, as well as some other issues with Brood Python on OS X v10.9, Mavericks. Didn't work for me, and I think my setup tools/distribute setup was botched. I finally got it to work while running.
Ich know, man, Hause einmal, wenn er sich an Schuberts